Hello everyone and welcome to Cherub Teaching Center. My name is Poonam and I'm a Microsoft certified educator. Today in this episode of Excel I'm going to train you how you people can go about inserting the rows in the column. So today I'm going to train you two ways actually, and the second one that I will be training you on is the shortcut. So normally what happens is when we are creating a table in an Excel sheet, so while creating a table sometime we would like to add another column altogether. So that's what I'm going to tell you today, how you people can insert a row or a column, and along with that what could be the possible shortcut for that. So people, for that you need to open up an Excel sheet like the way that I've done it. So I am going to do a demo in front of you, and I'm going to keep this video a little bit short so that you people may go about and you can practice out yourself. Okay, so whenever you're trying to intend to insert a column or a row, so what exactly happens is, so first of all we'll be creating a table. So let's say that we are creating a table in which there is a name, and then along with the name the next thing that we have it out is you know serial number, name, and then we have the test scores. Okay, so along with that I'm only going to create a table of near about two values, and then we can go about, so let's say that this is the first candidate is Neha, and the second one over here is Sumit. So let's say that this is score is 20 and this score is 22. Okay, so now we have created a you know a table. Now once we have created a table, people, the next thing, let's say that you would like to add another column altogether. So whenever you want to add a column, you need to highlight that specific column altogether, and then you need to right click from your mouse. Okay, so you need to click on insert, and then you may go about and the column would be inserted towards the left hand of it. Okay, however, in case if you don't want to do it this ways, what you people can do is, another shortcut of adding a column is, you need to highlight that specific column and then you have to press the control button and the plus button. Okay, control and the plus, or control or the add button simultaneously, and the column would be added automatically on its own. So this is another way of doing it. Okay, now the another thing is, so this one is for adding up a column, and another one is how you can add a row. Again, if you want to add a row, people, what exactly you may do about is, you need to highlight that row. Again, as the first method says, that you can go about and you can click on insert over here, and then you people may go about inserting a row right just above it. So this is one way of doing it. However, if you don't want to do it this ways, another shortcut for that is, you may go about and then you have to highlight that specific row, press the control and the plus button simultaneously. Now you can, what you can do is, in case if you are intending to add multiple rows, please press and hold the control button and keep on hitting the plus button from the keyboard simultaneously, and then you people can go about adding multiple rows. So if you want to add multiple columns also, again press and hold the control button from the keyboard, and then you can keep on hitting the plus button from the keyboard, and then you may automatically keep on adding the columns into your specific data Excel sheet. So people, this was all about how you people can go about adding a or inserting a row or a column, whether it is a single row or whether you're intending to add a multiple row or a column. You may go about practice this out, and those viewers who are watching my channel and you have not subscribed to the Cherub Teaching Center yet, I would request you to please quickly go ahead, subscribe to Cherub Teaching Center. There are more things that are coming up your way, and in case of any questions or queries, you can always approach me on my Instagram ID, which is cherub.teaching.center. You can also reach me on my Facebook ID, which is Cherub Teaching Center, or the Microsoft Teams, which is Cherubians. And the links of all these three social links is also given in the description of the video. So thank you so much, people, for watching the video. Now just go about and you may practice this yourself, and so that you may become a master of it. So thank you very much and have a nice day ahead. Practice it yourself, practice it multiple times, just try it yourself, the shortcut also, and the first method that I have already made you understand where you people can go about. Thank you very much, people. Have a nice day ahead.